As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two portable propane grills, right? The Bighorn Outdoors infrared grill and the Weber Q1200. First impressions?
Yeah, that's right. The Bighorn is all about that super high heat, claiming 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Sounds intense, and it's currently priced at $199.99. The Weber Q1200, on the other hand, is sitting at $259.
Definitely a price difference. Tell me more about that high heat. Is it just a gimmick?
Well, it boasts a 19,000 BTU burner, which is pretty powerful. They say it's perfect for searing steaks quickly. The Weber only pushes out 8,500 BTU. Huge difference there.
So searing power goes to the Bighorn. What about cooking space? I like to grill for a few people at once.
Okay, the Weber has 189 square inches of cooking space. The Bighorn doesn't explicitly state the cooking area, but based on the dimensions, it appears to have about 143 square inches. So Weber wins on space.
Interesting. What about portability? Are they both truly tabletop grills?
Both are designed to be portable and used on a tabletop. The Bighorn weighs about 30.9 pounds, while the Weber is a bit lighter at 26 pounds. The Weber also has folding side tables, which could be useful.
Good point about the side tables. I always need a place to put my tools and plates. What about build quality? They both claim to be stainless steel.
Yes, both use stainless steel. Weber is known for its quality, though. The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are durable and easy to clean. The Bighorn also seems durable, but the Weber has almost 8,000 reviews averaging 4.8 stars, compared to Bighorn, which has 581 reviews averaging 4.6 stars.
Okay, so Weber seems to win in terms of brand reputation and customer satisfaction. Any other key differences?
The Bighorn comes with a pizza stone, which is a nice bonus. It also has a 10-tier adjustable rack, making it versatile for different foods. The Weber has a built-in thermometer, which is helpful for monitoring the cooking temperature.
Decisions. It sounds like the Bighorn is great for searing and high-heat cooking, while the Weber is more of an all-around portable grill with a solid reputation.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're prioritizing. Do you want that intense sear or a reliable, versatile, and more spacious grill?
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.